Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hmong Pho. We'll begin by building the foundational broth, which is the heart of any great pho. You'll want to use a combination of beef bones, oxtail, and flank steak for a truly rich base. Don't forget to char your ginger and onions. This simple step adds incredible depth and a beautiful aromatic quality. Simmering for at least 6 hours ensures all those wonderful flavors meld together perfectly. Next, let's talk about the essential spices that give Hmong Pho its distinctive aroma. Gently toast star anise, whole cloves, and cinnamon sticks until fragrant. This brings out their full potential. Incorporate black cardamom pods and coriander seeds into your spice sachet. Finally, season your simmering broth with a generous amount of fish sauce, a touch of rock sugar for balance, and salt to achieve that perfect savory profile. Now, let's prepare the other key components, the noodles and meats. For the best texture, use fresh flat rice noodles, blanching them quickly in hot water just before serving. This keeps them from getting mushy. Thinly slice your raw flank steak and cooked brisket. The hot broth will gently cook the raw beef to perfection. You can also include delicious beef meatballs or tender tripe for extra variety and flavor. Finally, the garnishes are crucial for a complete Hmong Pho experience. Arrange a vibrant platter of fresh herbs such as Thai basil, cilantro, and mint. Don't forget crisp bean sprouts, bright lime wedges, and thinly sliced jalapenos for a little kick. Guests can customize their bowls with a drizzle of rich hoisin sauce and a dash of spicy sriracha. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful Hmong Pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.